This video is not just about Christmas trees. It's about showcasing African American women in their homes, designing environments for healthy Black families. Cast your vote for your favorite Christmas tree, helping one lucky lady win a gift card just in time for Christmas. And answer our question of the day, and you could win a prize too. And with that, let's get started. When I look at Valerie's Christmas decor, I feel warm and fuzzy inside, and I think you will too. Valerie says her holiday decorations are inspired by her late mom. My mom loved the holidays and would have almost every room decorated for Christmas, she says. I want to keep that tradition alive. And she's doing just that with items purchased from Hobby Lobby, Big Lots, Ollie's, TJ Maxx, Target, and Walmart. Thanks, Valerie, for a traditional Christmas. Sherry says her candy-loving 4-year-old grandson was the inspiration for this red and white delightful decor. It's filled with balloons, candies, and awesome gifts. She shops at the at-home store and Hobby Lobby for her Christmas decor. And as you see, she's all about the details. Check it out. Behind those shades is a woman that has an eye for glam and fabulousness. Meet Adia. Throughout her home are carefully selected items that were purchased from Home Goods, Ross, Marshalls, Burlington, Wayfair, and Amazon. The items are flawlessly coordinated. Her main Christmas tree is glamorous yet unexpected, as it is adorned with delicate flowers and colors that are not traditionally a part of the Christmas palette. But when it comes to this longshoreman, you should expect the unexpected. Felicia absolutely loves Christmas, and it shows. She has 7 Christmas trees throughout her home, and she starts decorating for the holidays right after Halloween. She purchased her big tree from Walmart, and her large array of ornaments are from Lowe's, Michael's, and Kirkland's. When choosing her ornaments, Felicia tends to pick things that she loves. So notice the large array of shoes on her Christmas tree. For Felicia, Christmas is a tradition that her and her family will always treasure. This year, Taria decided she was going to create a cheery and fun theme for the grandkids. Her favorite shop spots are Hobby Lobby, At Home, and Michael's, as they are very shopping friendly and it was easy to locate festive items. Everyone loves a sweet, delicious candy cane, she says, and we love this sweet tree. Happy holidays. You may remember Summer from our 2020 Christmas tree roundup. Well, she's at it again. Her first tree is a black and white beauty created in honor of her late mother, Pastor Gloria Matthews. Here she is with another Mickey Mouse inspired Christmas tree. Her inspiration for trees just comes from her love of Mickey Mouse and the magic that he brings. According to Summer, he's the epitome of happiness. As a child, she used to have a recurring dream that her dad gave her a stuffed Mickey Mouse before he passed away, and that just stuck with her into adulthood. Her tree has a host of Mickey and Minnie Mouse stuffed animals on it, and we look forward to seeing her in 2022 when she does another round of her Mickey creation. Roma is introducing a brand new Christmas tree with a brand new theme. She ditched her live tree tradition and selected an artificial one from BJ's. Her other supplies are from the Sam's Club, the Christmas Tree Store, Hobby Lobby, Amazon, and Home Depot. She found it easier to decorate an artificial tree and found it to be much more sturdier than the one she had last year. You'll see that elves have taken over this Christmas, and Roma has created a wonderful place for them to leave the gifts. Tiara loves home decor, DIYs, and just being creative. As a little girl, Tiara always watched her grandmother and mom decorate for holidays and even on birthdays. They've shown me how to turn nothing into something without breaking the bank, she says. They inspired me so much that I've grown into picking up those skills and creativity myself. According to Tiara, she can take a $20 budget and make your Christmas tree look like $1 million. She creates her own ornaments and adds a little personality to her trees for character. According to Tiara, it's all about keeping things simple. Ayana's Christmas tree takes you back to memories in your childhood. And it's no wonder. She gets the inspiration for her tree from her son. He's autistic, and she selects themes to keep him interested and excited. I've always loved Christmas and decorating, she says. She gets her supplies from Hobby Lobby, At Home, Michael's, Burlington, Home Goods, and Walmart. Here's to Christmas past. Vicky was feeling a little grinchy this season as she discovered that her daughter was moving to Hawaii. Rather than feel down over the holidays, Vicky decided to go all out with her Grinch theme. She hired neighbor Kelvina Bowles to decorate her home inside out. She got most of her supplies from Hobby Lobby, Etsy, and Amazon. Her home is designed to be enjoyed by both kids and adults. And she wishes all of you a very Merry Grinchmas in 2021.
All right, good people. So now it's time to cast your vote. You have to do 3 things. The first thing is like this video. The second thing, subscribe. And of course, put the name of the person you want to vote for down in the comments. We'll let you know the winner next week.
And now for our question of the day. How many mice are on Summer's Christmas tree? We'll shout the winner out in our next video and send her a nice gift card.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.